Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dorothy. It's okay. So we are gonna be doing a new hairstyle today. As you can see, my hair is all growing out. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I do the braids. It's gonna be another crochet hairstyle. So I'm just gonna braid my hair down. So this is my DIY shea butter that I made that I'm going to be using to moisturize my hair. So I always like to do my moisturizing section by section. So after I do the moisturizing, I just go ahead and rubber band my hair. I'm just gonna be showing you, so everything is self-explanatory. So if you watch the video, you kind of understand what I'm doing. So since we are doing the crochet hairstyle, your braiding pattern doesn't have to be neat, so just try your best. You can see I'm trying without any mirror, so the braiding is not neat, but you can still achieve the style that you're going for even though the braids are not perfect. So just try your best and don't stress yourself up. Regardless, the hairstyle is still gonna look good without you trying to make the parts perfect. So this video I really won't talk much because I just want you guys to watch the video and just see how I do the braiding pattern. And also I want to use this opportunity to thank every one of you that has been supporting me. I just want to say thank you for your love. Thank you for all the support. I really appreciate. So I also wanted to thank you to all my new subscribers. I also want to say this channel is growing, so thank God for everything. Thank you guys so much. So I will let you guys watch the video and just see how I do the braids. And also guys, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also share this video with your friends and family, and I really thank you guys again. Also, before I forget, this beautiful hair is from Amazon. So if you are somebody like me that wants something very affordable and something that you can install within no time, this is for you.
So guys, if you go on Amazon, just type KARIDA hair store and check out the page. They have amazing crochet hair. If you want to do twists, they got the hair. If you want to do braids, they have different hair on there and they're very affordable. So check them out. It's so beautiful. You can see the one I have on. It's gorgeous. Just check them out and let me know what you think, and just try the hair product that they have. It's amazing.
Alright guys, we are all done with the braiding, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my DIY shea butter, and I'm just gonna massage that into my scarf before I start the crochet process. So right now I'm just showing you guys the finished look and the braiding pattern. Alright guys, so the hair I'm gonna be using is from KARIDA Beauty Hair Store on Amazon. So they sent me 14 inches Boho box braid in color T1B 613, and I got about 8 packs of the hair. So right now I'm just showing you guys how I install the hair. So if you like the hair, if you like the color, if you like how it looks or the turnout results, and you want to get the hair, just go to Amazon and just type KARIDA hair store and just check out the page. They have a lot of different hair you can try out. They have a lot of crochet hair, they have a lot of braiding hair. Go out there, just check them out, and they're very affordable. And for this hair that I have on, it was very light, not heavy at all. I was shocked. The hair was very easy to install, and I love the color, and I got so many compliments about this hair. And the way I had it done, everybody thought it was braided into my scarf. It was like it was a box braid. So I want to say a big thank you to KARIDA Hair Store for sending me this beautiful hair, and I love it. I never tried this color before, but turns out it really works well with my skin tone. Thank you, and I appreciate you, and God bless you.